Hey, afternoon everyone. This is Tom Cherry Holmes with the FujiNet project. And we actually have our first FujiNet game. This one has been written by Bocianu Boczansky, who has done a fantastic job building MAD Pascal bindings for the network device that talk directly over SIO. And he's gone ahead and put together a complete game that uses the free internet chess server standard, which you can see at freechess.com. If you haven't and you'd like to play this game, go ahead and go over to freechess.com and register for an account. Once you can boot this client up. I currently have a client stored over on AtariApps.errata online, and you can select it inside the games folder. Again, I apologize for my video output. It seems my capture card seems to have developed a slight cross short in it. I need to replace it. So, we go ahead and select ChessNet, mount it to drive 1, and we boot it. This uses Xboot, so it boots up very quickly. No DOS needed, as all the commands are done entirely over SIO. And you'll see right here, as we bounce back and forth, as network activity happens, you'll hear the beeps go back and forth for SIO traffic. We'll go ahead and log in with my user account here. And honestly, yes, it currently shows password, but I do not care. Yeah, somebody's going to be able to play chess games on my account. Big whoop. Okay. So once it's given us the initial server messages, we can basically start looking for games to play. There are a number of help commands that you can send to the server to bounce back various things. And all of the various FICS commands are actually supported. But just to get something quick, we'll actually start something quickly. And I will start something with one of the bots. Perhaps play one, yeah? Okay. So we've got kind of an IRC thing going on here. Darn it. I'm kind of curious if anybody else is there. Oop. Nope. Alright. So we'll go ahead. We have our board right here ready to go. Now, board positions are done in grid order, so we start from E, we'll say E7 to E5. Now we see he's already moved there, so B8 to C6. Move the knight. And so on. And you just use the grid positions to take and move everything, and you can hear the network traffic going back and forth. And one of the nice things that you can see is that it's actually doing this SIO traffic. We have a display list interrupt actually dividing the grid, the board in half here. So we have the console room down below, and we have the chessboard above. So let's say, sorry, B7, B6, and so on. And you can hear network activity happening with everything bouncing back and forth. Everything's interrupt driven, and so on. Finally, when we're done, we can just go ahead and quit. Bam, boom, and there we go. Since this is a bootloaded disk, it will take and restart it. But yeah, there we go. Nice and quick. I told you it was going to be a very quick little deal, just to show you that this was written in roughly a few days with a few days worth of work. and it shows what can be done with very little programming. The total size of the program is approximately 10K in size, and you can get the source code over on GitLab. I will leave a link in the description where you can get the source code so you can see how this thing actually works. Again, it's written in MAD Pascal. But again, you can see this works extremely well here. Bam. Of course, so I mean, really, that's it. Just wanted to go show you guys. I'm very proud of the work that Bocianu has done here, and can't wait to see what happens next. Until next time, guys, have fun.